Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set a song as ringtone in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you are using A17 and you want to set a song as your call ringtone, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just go for sound and vibration, and here just go for ringtone option, and here you will get your system ringtones. But if you want to set a song as your ringtone, just tap on this plus icon, and here it will open all of your media. Here I have a single music which is 3 times, but I'm going to select this one. Just tap on it, and here it will be selected. Just tap on done. Once you have that, your song will be selected as your own phone ringtone. So that's how you can easily set a song as your phone ringtone in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.